Hi, beautiful people. Today I'm here. The screening. Look, this can compare. It's a beautiful Lego design. This is finance world. The business soul. So this is a real and a fantastic Lego design. So I'm gonna starting from the beginning. So no matter talk, I need to now make it a little bit smaller, a little bit more better to show you. So I needed to a little bit smaller here. I needed to keep to the counter side exactly like that. I create or prepare this logo designer today. So I need a vegetable, go to the here, which rectangle tool, but I click press here. I need an ellipse tool first of all. So I needed to keep here at a setup to the center. So I need to press shift and alt key and there like that. Fantastic, it's magic. So what can I do? I need to now just to copy and paste this. So how should I copy and paste? I need control C and control F by the pass. So it is C, it's already done. So what can I do? I know just this like that by pressing shift key and by clearance the object I needed to change the color. Which color? I need any one color. I cannot choose this one. Okay, so I cannot choose this one here. I cannot drop this one. Yes, I can now. To see here, I needed to keep a little bit smaller this one like that. Okay, so go to the like that. I put it here a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. Yes, like that. So I needed to keep it a little bit here. Yes, it will be more better. So right here, you see. Okay, fantastic. So what can I do? I now just select all the things and I go to the shape builder tool and cut all the things by pressing Alt. Cut. Oh, exactly. Yes, fantastic. So what can I do? I now just copy this one for the another two like that. Okay. So pressing Alt and I already done. So what can I do? I need just to like that here. I needed to like that. So I needed to keep just a little one and put it here, the center. It is too much small. I need it bigger than I like that before. I need just want to set it here, like that. A little bit here. Yes, I think this is great. This is great. Very fantastic. So right here, little bit. Yes, I think it more better. So what should I do? I need it now set up here to the center like that. Okay, so here. Okay, okay. Yes, great. So color it doesn't matter, but it just you I pick up here and set up for the color. I need to go to the here. First to select this one and I go to the color. Yes, magic. This is magic. So what can I do? I need just to set up here these three rules. So go to the again here and go to the rectangle tool. Set up here like that. Yes, like that, exactly like that. So go to the here and copy by pressing Alt. Yes, like that. And I go to the Control D for the another copy. I go to the here Like the setup here, the center. Yes, center. Yes, good. Great. So what can I do right now? Now is to cut from here like that. So I needed to here which to line segment tool. It's very easy and very time little time, not a big or with a much more time. I here set up here and like that. Yes, it is good. Good job, great. Now I just select this one, not to all, just like that. Select this one and cut it. Select. I needed to select all the things. Yes, like that. Oh, again I need it. Yes, now this is time for cutting here. Line segment. Save builder tool. Yes. Okay. Now pressing Ctrl to cut all the things. Yes, you see how I cut all the things. So I need now to here. I need to delete this one. Go to the other plus. Delete all the things. Yes. Again, I need to select this one like that because this one I needed to cut. So go to the here and go the shape builder tool and cut all the thing by pressing over. Yes, you see. Oh my God, how magic it. So I already done all the things. Now again, I need to select this one and go to the here shape builder tool, and I needed this one. I like that. Like together all the things. Okay, is doesn't matter. I will change the color no matter. Don't worry about it. Dear friends, don't worry about it. I just change the color. It's magic, no problem. So what should I do? I need to adjust the typography. Finance world. I need to finance world. Just right here, you see the typing tool. Okay, so what can I do? I need it just to copy this one. I need here, go to the finance world. I need to know, just type finance world. Exactly. Good. Very good. So I need here, just put the center here, like that. Yes. Yes. A little bit smaller, like that. Yes, little bit, little bit smaller, like that. It's great, maybe. I don't know, but exactly I'm trying to be like that. So I needed to change the color. Yes, okay, it's going. Okay, I need to now just to copy this one by pressing like that, and I need, you know, this business soul. Not sure. Yes, you see, happening. Happening is like that. I need it a little bit small here, like that. A little bit smaller here, like that. I put this to the center a little bit here, and like that. This I think almost is done, but I change the color. Go here and this I needed this one. Yes, exactly like that. You see, exactly. Not difference between this one. So you see how it's done exactly. It's very fantastic. Logo design. So just watch the video and you can learn this one. Thank you for watching.